now we come on to gynoecium or pistil. So you see, firstly, ये जो भी साइड पे पोर्शंस हैं, राइट, on when we are talking about hibiscus, you will see a difference of colors in both pistil and stamen. So guys, this is the gynoecium or pistil, you can see, right? So you can see here, this lower part is the style, right, and this upper is the stigma, right? This is the sticky portion. You can also see yellow powder on top. You can see this way. This, is it visible, this yellow powder, right? These are the pollen grains. Okay, so this is the style, this is the stigma, and these are the pollen grains sticking on the top of the stigma. Okay, now you see, pistil के क्या क्या पार्ट्स होते हैं? स्टिग्मा, स्टाइल एंड ओवरी, राइट? सो stigma style we have seen. Now you see, throughout this is all a part of a style for the stigma, and this here is the ovary, right? So now we are going to dissect the ovary very carefully. So we are going to make a cut. So we have made the cut on one side. Now we'll be opening it. See this, you can see this this pipe, this tube. This is the pollen tube. Okay, pollen when stick at the stigma, they form the pollen tube and then it goes to the ovary. Okay, now firstly I'll be removing these so that it is easier for me. So I have removed these side leaves. Okay, so you can see this. Now this has become sticky. That is why it is becoming harder to handle. So this is the pollen tube. Okay, and we will now cut the ovary. Again, taking the needle. I've already got ovules. See this. These are the ovules inside the ovary. You see these white structures? These white structures. So these white structures we have taken out from the ovary, and these are the ovules. Okay, and I'm showing you the ovary again. Just check it out. So this is the ovary. This is the part of the ovary I have separated. Okay, and you see this structure now. See this. See this line of ovules. You see? So these are all the ovules. It is not easy to show this because these are white in color and that the camera will not be focusing. But as individuals, I have shown you this, right? So these these white portion, these white tiny bead like structures. You see this. Okay, so these are the ovules that we have got from the ovary. This is the ovary. Okay, and below ovary, this portion, this was ovary, this portion is the thalamus, this portion. Okay, so stigma, style, ovary and thalamus. Okay, now similarly if we see, now similarly we have seen all these parts. Okay, so a bud mein all of these parts are inside these sepals. You see, I am going to remove these sepals. I will hold it with my hand only. um, these are all the sepals. So you see जो petals हैं, they have not got their color yet actually. ठीक है, the petals are yet in the developing stage. Okay, so sepals तो clearly दिख गए, right, but petals they are not developed yet. Now you see this beautiful little structures. These are all the androecium, that is the stamen. Just see how beautiful. I am cleaning this to make it clear. Now see this. See these are all anther. These are all stamens. Top portion is all covered with anthers. Now if we see, they are all bursting because these are under development. You can see this if I'm trying to press it, they're releasing some sticky, see this sticky substance that is there, that is holding it. Why? Because the sticky substances are coming from this pistil, and you see this red structure in the center. This is the pistil red color का है ना. You see this red structure, this is the pistil, red colored pistil. This has not been developed yet. See this, these are all anthers and this is the pistil. Okay, and similarly यहाँ पे इसके अंदर this is the ovary and this नीचे this is the thalamus. Okay, and similarly अब बर्ड में समझ आ गया तो इसमें तो it's very easy, very convenient. Petals के अंदर we'll still take it out. See this, oh my god. Okay, so इसमें जो एंथर है they are a little on the reddish side and pistil again वही जो हमने पहले किया था, more reddish, that इसमें it's more like maroon. Now see, from all of these what you learn that एंथर जो है they are surrounding all throughout. That is why I told you स्टाइल पे आसपास जो होगा that will always be the एंथर. सेंटर में maximum times is the pistil. You see, this is the anther. ठीक है, इसको हटाए तो these are the pistils. See, there are 5 pistils here, right? 5 pistils and they are all in the center. Okay, so this is all about the flowers. I have told you in different stages, in the bud, in the matured flower and also in the middle stage.